It's Allison here at the Eager Free Public Library in Evansville, and I have your February Wellness Short. This month, everything with our library shorts is all about the solar system in honor of the Rock the Solar System that the Children's Museum of Rock County has put on across the county. So I hope you're having fun with some cool space-themed activities, and I'm going to show you guys today, your Wellness Short is making glitter jars. So this is one that I made, and glitter jars are really nice, soothing, calming tools. So sometimes we feel out of control, our thoughts, our feelings, even our bodies. We can feel our hearts race when we're upset or scared or anxious, and these jars are a way to help to remind us to settle and calm. They're pretty simple to make. I'm going to show you how to do it in just a second, but first I'm going to show you how it works. So when you feel like your brain is moving at the speed of light, everything's maybe a little out of control and you need a moment to calm, you're going to pick up your glitter jar. Everything's stirred up inside you. You're going to take it and shake it. And sometimes just that motion can help release some of that tension you're feeling. And watch your glitter moving and moving and spinning. It's kind of like what's going on in your head, right? And then you're going to pause and watch it settle. And while you're watching, you can take a deep breath and start to feel your emotions, your thoughts also settle down. One idea for using your glitter jar is to try out some breathing exercises while you're using it. That can also add to calming your body down. So a few ideas are you could breathe in while you're shaking it up and out while you watch it fall. You can see if you can breathe out the whole length of time it takes for the glitter to settle. It's a while. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to shake it up and take a deep breath. Almost. So you can try that a few times. You could also count how long it takes for all the glitter to settle. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Just a few ways to kind of calm your mind while you're using it. You can also just watch it, swirl it, find ways to use the jar to help you relax. So now I'm going to show you how to make a glitter jar. What you need to have at home is a jar with a lid on it. You could use a glass jar or a plastic jar. It's just a recycled one. You'll need some glitter. It's kind of neat if you can find glitter of different sizes. So I have some chunky glitter here, some of your standard tiny glitter, and some sort of confetti type stuff. I also found in our craft closet at the library some bigger pieces of confetti. All of that can go in your jar. It can kind of be helpful as you're making this to think about these different kinds of glitter, maybe as different emotions. So maybe you're thinking about fear, anxiety or worry, stress, and you're going to put all of that into your jar. You're also going to need some craft glue, school glue, and some water. So you're going to start out by getting your jar and filling it up with some water. You don't need to fill it all the way to the top. You do need some air in it so that you can shake things up and add some glitter. You're going to fill it up and add in a good long squeeze of glue. This glue helps the glitter to, it kind of sticks to it and it slows down the fall. So I'm going to count to 10 with a big squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then you're going to add your glitter. So I'm going to put a few pinches of my chunky silver glitter. And this is where you can kind of be inspired by the galaxy. I think these jars remind me of looking up at the night sky or the Milky Way and all those stars in the sky. So that's why I picked them for our solar system month. We're going to add, I do have some stars here. We're going to put those in. And some chunky confetti glitter is going to go in. And lastly, I have some tiny colorful glitter that I'm going to shake in here. We kind of want a good amount of glitter. You can experiment with putting in as much or as little as you want. I'm also going to add some purple glitter to give it some sense of the night sky. I think that would look kind of cool. And once you have your glitter in, you're going to want to seal it up nice and tight. So make sure you have a jar with a good lid. And then shake it up, give it a swirl, and see if you like how it looks. So you can see my purpley galaxy glitter jar here. You might need to experiment with adding a little more glue if you feel like things aren't falling the way you'd like them to, but you can see the big chunky pieces of glitter take a little bit longer to fall than the little ones, which is kind of neat. And that is how you do it. One more tip for you, when you are done with your glitter jar and it's time for you to get rid of them, I do recommend sifting out the glitter rather than dumping it down your drains. It's not great for our environment to have glitter in our waterways, so you'll want to take, like, you can use a piece of paper towel and kind of run it through, and that'll catch all of the glitter, and then you can toss that in the trash rather than sending it down the drain. So just think about that before you dispose of them. But I hope you guys have fun and you find this it's a useful way to calm down when you need to find a way to settle. Thanks. Bye.